Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to count the particular word in Excel. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So let's look at this range of data. Our task is to count all the cells in which the word apple occurs, regardless of how this word is written, in uppercase or lowercase, as part of another word or separately. We just need to find these cells and count their number. Okay, to solve this problem, we use the COUNTIF function. We use this entire range as the first argument. As the second one, we use the word apple in quotation marks. Press enter, and as you can see, the formula has found only one cell with the word apple. In this case, the function counted only those cells in which there is only the word apple and nothing else. But we also need to count all the other cells. To do this, let's slightly change the formula. Add an asterisk sign in front of and behind the word apple. This sign tells Excel to search for the word apple at any position in the cell, namely at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end. We press enter, and this time the calculation is correct. The formula has counted all these cells with the word apple. Okay, we've counted the cells, and now for clarity, let's determine which cells contain the word apple. In order not to do it manually, we use this formula for it. The isNumber function returns true or false if there is a number in the cell or not, and the search function returns the position number of the word apple inside the cell. And thus, if there is a word in the cell that we are looking for, then in the neighboring cell we get the value true, otherwise false. And to make it even better, let's copy this formula and highlight these cells using conditional formatting. Select the entire range, click the conditional formatting, a new rule, and then select use a formula to determine which cells to format. We insert the formula and then select the highlight color. Click on Format, go to the Fill tab, here we select a color and click OK. And as you can see, we have highlighted all those cells that contain the word apple. That's all I wanted to tell you. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.